Hello, hello, Mrs. Jennifer from Miami, having beautiful Oriental rugs, almost 13, 14, 15 Oriental rug throughout the house. Beautiful. Each one of them Persian rug, handmade, high quality. She collected them when she was traveling in the Middle East. The rug, more than the value, is the memory. Take a look how we at PetPeePee cleaned the Oriental rug in a special way. We invented a cleaning process that cleaned the Oriental rug from dirt and soil. However, it will remove the urine odor completely, naturally, by using our secret recipe, the Dead Sea Cleaner. We flood the rug on the top and we vacuum from under the rug. And all the peepee, the urine crystal, the dog saliva, the cleaning product the customer used in the past, everything will be washed through the rug. So everybody asks me, so how do you prevent then the color will never run? This is the first time that I'm showing this scene on my videos. I spray the rug with a Dead Sea Cleaner. The Dead Sea Cleaner, when it's in a special concentration, it will hold the colors. The color will be tied and it will never, never run. I guarantee it in writing. PetPeePee, a cleaning process that makes sense. From the top to the bottom, all the way. Take a look before I roll the rug to deliver to Mrs. Jennifer in Coral Gables, Miami. No color run, no fuzziness, smooth and beautiful, vibrant color. This is the beauty of my cleaning process, and I'm very proud of it. PetPeePee, please stay tuned and see how to fold Oriental rug for storage or for shipping. PetPeePee, thank you for watching. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. Pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too.